Now, what are people doing? What are people thinking about when they come to a show like this? Let's join Helene Well. I think she may, in fact, have a couple of willing volunteers.
Hey, we're here at the business show at stand number 30, which is moo.com. Nothing to do with cows, methinks, but let's find out. And who are we?
Okay, so we're an online print company, and what we really try and do is help businesses, big and small, look their best.
And who are we? What's your names?
So my name is Mutsa. I work in the marketing team.
And my name's James. I'm an account manager for Moo.
Max and James, why is it that you think that small businesses always try and print their own cards? And why are you different? And why shouldn't I be printing my own cards?
Okay, I think that there are a lot of reasons to use Moo. We've got some fantastic online templates which are really, really easy to use, and they allow you to put a lot of your own input and design into something that's essentially created already for you. So we really make it as easy as possible for you guys to look your best.
So if I'm really poor at design, which I am, I'm spatially challenged, you're going to help me with that, right? And why are you at the show today?
So we're here to sort of spread the wonderful word of Moo and to talk to people about the best ways to promote themselves, how our products can help them grow as a business, or if they're looking into starting their own businesses, how this is the best way to sort of present themselves in that field.
So I understand that our cameraman actually has some of your cards. I'm not saying that we came over here for that reason, right? Okay. But I think, are you finding today is really good for you? I know we're just warming up, but are we getting a lot of business coming your way?
Yeah, definitely. We've seen a lot of returning customers, people that already know Moo, and then people who are intrigued and want to know a little bit more as well. So I'm sure there's going to be really great investment in that sense.
James, give me Moo in 3 words.
Design works wonders.
Woo! Moo!